Welcome to the European Parliamentary Research Service podcast on What Future for the Social Economy.
The COVID-19 pandemic, as the financial crisis did back in 2008, has reminded us once more of the importance of having a vibrant social economy, which puts people and the planet before profits.
The EU supports it in different ways, but how can it better equip it to play a driving role in the light of the current challenges? Stay with us.
A part of Europe's economy is not intended to bring financial gains in the first place, but rather to address societal and other challenges. It's known as the social economy, and it comprises a wide array of enterprises and networks adopting multiple legal forms, including cooperatives, mutual societies, non-profit associations, foundations and social enterprises.
In the EU, there are 2.8 million social economy operators providing a wide range of products and services in multiple sectors of activity, from agriculture and banking to education, healthcare or housing. Together, they employ more than 13 million people and generate close to 8% of the Union's gross domestic product.
Their existence is therefore strongly linked not only to the economy at large, but also to a well-functioning welfare state and the growing circular economy. And the social economy is also a driver of social innovation, solidarity and inclusion.
So how does the EU support social economy actors?
Well, over the years, the EU has implemented several laws and strategies to create a level playing field in which social economy operators can compete effectively and fairly. From the Single Market Acts to the Social Business Initiative and the new 2020 SME strategy, among others.
And EU work on the social economy is organised around 5 main areas. Stay with us.
One of them is improving access to finance. In recent years, a wide range of new funding mechanisms from both the public and private sectors have emerged, and the EU has a crucial role to play in making sure that innovative social solutions get the funding they need.
And EU funding programmes have given priority to social economy actors in many different ways, from the European structural investment funds managed in partnership with member states to smaller and more specific financial solutions such as microfinance or social impact investment that supports social economy actors.
In doing so, the EU has succeeded in establishing a comprehensive financial ecosystem capable of supporting and developing the social economy. But what else does the EU do?
It also works on market access for the social economy, promoting socially responsible public procurement, fostering cooperation between traditional and social economy entities, and stimulating the cross-border activities of social economy operators.
EU efforts also go into developing better framework conditions which take into account the special multidimensional nature and needs of the social economy, and into fostering interactions between new technologies and the social economy.
These interactions can, on the one hand, help social economy actors to become more tech-savvy and, on the other, encourage traditional businesses and the tech industry to be more socially responsible. So, it's a clear win-win.
Indeed. And finally, the EU also addresses the international dimension of the social economy. It includes in it its cooperation and development programmes and ensures that it features high on the global political agenda.
Now, in the past 20 years, with new risks and opportunities arising from the twin digital and green transformations, there is an emerging debate rethinking economic growth theories with more focus on inclusion and combating inequality and exploring the relevance of traditional welfare state models.
A debate which intensified in the wake of the 2008 crisis and now also as a result of the coronavirus pandemic.
While the social economy has clearly suffered from the economic crisis that followed the COVID-19 pandemic, it has also helped cushion the blow, particularly for the most vulnerable.
This is why the EU and its member states have deployed a wide range of measures to keep the social economy alive during this crisis, including financial support and liquidity measures to help hard-hit sectors and SMEs, temporary state aid measures or deferral schemes for taxes and social security contributions.
Besides helping mitigate the negative impacts of the crisis, the social economy can be a powerful engine in the immediate recovery and help us move towards a more resilient, fair and sustainable socio-economic model in the future.
And many are their voices calling for a stronger social economy. In recent years, the European Parliament, Member States and the European Economic and Social Committee, among many others, have called for a real European action plan for the social economy.
And it seems their calls have been answered.
A European action plan on the social economy is expected next year and might address many of the issues and challenges we've highlighted in this podcast.
Now, it's difficult to predict what specific actions the plan will contain, but one thing is sure, it is a great opportunity not only to raise the visibility and importance of the social economy, but also to better equip it to drive the positive change we need and help the EU achieve the twin social and economic goals it has set itself.
You're listening to the European Parliamentary Research Service podcast.